Hello friends and welcome to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm going to share with you creative life hacks for your organized home. And let's get started. If you need to squeeze lemon juice but don't have a juicer, a simple nutcracker will help. Or you can use kitchen tongs. Just cut the lemon in half, clamp it with a nutcracker and squeeze out the juice. That's it. Quick, convenient and no extra tools needed. Give it a try and you'll be amazed at how easy it is. You have to try this recipe. It's simple and delicious. All you need are fresh ingredients and a couple of minutes. I slice a baguette, spread it with a delicate cream cheese, and now comes the fun part. I take cherry tomatoes, cut them in half and place them on each baguette slice. Here's a trick that will surprise you. With a bit of parsley, you can turn the tomatoes into cherries. Decorate and you're done. Quick, beautiful and effortless. When we moved into our new home, I installed a sponge holder in the kitchen. This idea still helps me. The sponge is always handy, not on the countertop and doesn't create a mess. Recently I bought a second holder and I'll show you why. Attach it to a clean, dry surface and hold it for a moment so it sticks well. Here's the result. Now you can hide your kitchen dishcloth here. It stays out of sight and it can still dry when not in use. You know how it goes. You start cutting an onion and your eyes immediately water. But there is a simple trick. Take a napkin, dampen it with water and place it next to where you are cutting. The napkin seems to attract the onion's juices, making cutting much more comfortable. Now I only shed tears of joy when I see how easy it is to cut onions. Friends, I'm sure you have your own onion cutting tips. Please share your method in the comments. You can turn this idea into a fun game with kids. Did you know you can press any pattern into a piece of toast? For example, use your finger to make two eyes and a mouth. Now put the toast in the toaster and let it brown nicely. Look at the cute smiley we got! It won't smile for long though. My younger daughter will eat it in a minute. People often ask why my stove is always so clean. The secret is that it's not always spotless. I just have an easy cleaning method. I take some dish soap, a sponge and two cloths. I apply the soap with the sponge and all the grease and dirt disappear. Then I wipe away the foam with a regular cloth and finally I use my favorite glass cleaning cloth. Now the stove is clean again and I can freely mess it up with new treats. If you have leftover Lego pieces, consider yourself lucky. You can make not only toys, but also useful organizers for the kitchen. Let's start by making a shelf insert. Using Lego bricks and a base plate, build a shelf at the desired height. If needed, secure the bricks with office putty. It holds everything in place, leaves no marks and can be removed easily. Here's an idea for a kid's birthday party. Make a utensil holder for children's cutlery out of Lego. It will decorate the celebration and later you can take it apart and return it to the kids' room. The possibilities are endless. With a simple move, Lego can even become a cutting board holder. If your cabinet shelf is packed tightly with various items, use a lazy Susan. Place all your bottles and jars on it, and now you can easily reach what you need. No need to remove everything to get to that one ingredient. Use the inner walls of cabinets for extra storage. Self-adhesive hooks are the simplest and most affordable option. For example, hang a dustpan and brush or rubber gloves attached to a binder clip. It's a great way to utilize every inch of your kitchen space. And the question of the day is this: what idea from today's video did you like the most? If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!